Hi, my name is Michaela. I'm the director for On Call Counsel. We're always looking for great candidates like you to join our clients. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for paralegals. Some responsibilities include preparing affidavits, legal correspondence, and other documents for attorneys, meeting with clients, attorneys, and other professionals to talk about case details, helping prepare for trial by organizing exhibits and assisting with other tasks as needed, and investigating facts and laws of cases, and searching public records and other resources to prepare cases and determine causes of action. If you have a certificate of completion from an ABA-approved paralegal certification program of education and training, or an associate degree in paralegal studies, as well as proficiency with Microsoft Office, specifically Outlook, Word, and Excel, and excellent organization skills, you can be a great fit for this role.
We are aiming to fill this role immediately, as is our client, so this opening probably won't last long. Please apply as soon as possible, and we're looking forward to meeting you.